Yeah, right. Dude, all that over there is supposed to be road. Caleb, you're such a litterer, bro.
Oh no! Gosh dang it.
Dude, this is cold.
Yeah, whatever. Let's go.
Isaac!
Where's he at?
I don't know, he's up there somewhere.
Let's go!
Hey, seriously, you gotta watch, like, look at it. Because if you fall in...
Rushing too hard.
Yeah, dude, this is crazy. I don't want to go too far and just woo! Cause, dude, okay, so look, you know how deep that is? That sign is tall as us out there. That sign over there. But then the one over here, there's one over there. Do you see the one way over there to the left? That one's way. Dude, after this, you can't see much farther, bro. You got tippy toe. I'm falling! Isaac! Come on!
I don't think Isaac can come in here.
Dude, what if a fish comes and bite your foot or something? Dude, you know how sick that'd be? I'm gonna go see what he's doing. Dude, I wanna see, bro. If we had a little canoe, I'd see how far we get if we held onto it.
Dude, we're just fucking freaking go. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so bad.
Dude, this is great. But dude, so when it was way less water, when it was just like more over here, dude, I rode my dirt bike over
You're
here.
not gonna catch anything. Just come on.
Come down here. Come here. Come look at this. How funny that'd be.
Isaac's like,
Got 911. Dude, imagine search and rescue. Isaac's like, Isaac, put the GoPro on.
Isaac, GoPro.
Dude, so over there, so that's all. That should all be land over. That's filled. And so look at the drop off though. Just don't fall
Imagine
in.
this, and imagine what the actual river's like.
Dude, imagine how high, like, so when you're deep and how hard this is. Because obviously right now you can't feel that much because you're gonna go off the side. That's the end right there. No, that's.
We're getting so much trouble.
Yeah, I know. Dude, so this is all road. We have Isaac back here. So that's a road back there. So all this is flooded. Look at this. So back over about, see where that sign is at? That's all road. Back over there, that should be all land. All of it. The river's way past, so this is super high. That's the barrier up there. Be careful, Isaac. Walk slow. You don't want to, if you go, woo! God, Caleb, how far are you going to go? Caleb, Isaac, don't come much further. So I don't want you to slip and woo! Yeah, I know. And then you know what we're going to do? We're going to have to try to jump in and grab you and try to, everyone push!
I'll grab with the net, my head just falls. Grab on
Dude, what we'd have to do, we'd have to get over there. We'd have to float all the way to the trees up there and call for help. Cause that goes down. That goes down right there. Yeah, that's all field, but it's like lower. Isaac, over there, so you see where all that water is at by the tree? That's land. That should be land. That's not the river. The river's past there. Dude, what if we just see a jet ski come through? Yeah, look how... Isaac, if any of us are going to slip, it's going to be Isaac. Gosh dang it! Because I don't want my pants to get wet. So this isn't going to go down. I mean, the wire's going to go up a little bit.
I will definitely do it. I just have to put my phone.
He's gonna fall. Dude, the water's warm right here. It's actually not bad.
I don't know what's going on with
I don't know. Dude, a gator comes by. Woo! Ow! turn, but
Hey, Isaac, you be the car lookout, alright?
look and see if cars are coming. Oh, SWAT pulls up.
Hurry.
Freeze!
What happens if a log came and hit us? And we were just...
Dude, you know how bad that'd be? Like, we wouldn't even see it, dude. Like, if it's like one coming down,
We wouldn't even see if there's an alligator guard coming at us.
we wouldn't see if there's a fish. We wouldn't see nothing. We wouldn't see if there's a water box thing coming at us. That's crazy, dude. Dude, look how wide. It's almost to our knees. That's the sign over there. That's the road. I mean, obviously it's gonna keep getting higher, but we can still stand without falling, hopefully.
So it looks like that's... It's coming. Isaac, go! Your car wash!
Isaac, if police pull up here, we're dead. We're just gonna say, come! Obviously, oh my God, Caleb. Seriously, start going back. Because it's harder coming back. The current, oh my gosh, something just took my foot. Not gonna lie.
Can't go too far from the fall, you know?
Dude, we should get a boogie board and a rope and just have one of us just go like this. Crank it! Dude, we should get a tube. Wait, Caleb, we should go back and get one of my tubes, air it up, come back with one of our ropes. Dude, if we have a rope, dude, and see how far we can get.
Tie the rope to that sign or something?
To like, dude, pull my car all the way up right here.
Hey, are we gonna go back?
No, we're just going.